You might be doing everything right, eating less, walking more, even skipping junk food, but still gaining weight, or maybe stuck at the same number for weeks. Here's the truth. It's not just what you eat, it's how you live. In this video, you'll discover 10 daily habits that are secretly making you fat. And habit number 7, even most nutritionists ignore it. Let's get started. Habit number 1, skipping breakfast. You think it helps you lose weight, but skipping breakfast actually increases hunger hormones. By lunchtime, you're more likely to overeat. Fix this by eating a protein-rich breakfast. Eggs, oats, or Greek yogurt are great options. Habit number 2, drinking your calories sodas, fruit juices, and sugary coffees. They seem harmless, but they can add 400 to 600 empty calories a day. And your brain doesn't register liquid calories the same way as solid food. Fix this by drinking water, black coffee, or unsweetened green tea. Habit number 3, mindless snacking, watching Netflix and munching chips, scrolling on your phone while eating. You're feeding your body without even knowing it. Fix this by always eating from a plate and pay full attention to what you eat. Habit number 4, sitting too long, even if you exercise in the morning. Sitting for long hours shuts down fat-burning enzymes. This is called active couch potato syndrome. Fix it by standing up every 30 minutes. Walk, stretch, or do 10 squats while on the phone. Habit number 5, eating late at night. Your body burns fewer calories in the evening, and late-night snacks are usually high in fat and sugar. Fix it by finishing your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Habit number 6, poor sleep. Getting less than 7 hours of sleep, it increases cortisol, your stress hormone. This tells your body to store fat, especially around your belly. Fix it with a sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Habit number 7, eating low-fat or diet. Most low-fat foods are loaded with sugar or chemicals. They trick your body and increase cravings later. Fix it by choosing real, whole foods. Full-fat yogurt is better than fat-free with added sugar. Habit number 8, stress eating. Stress rewires your brain to crave sugar and carbs, and emotional eating turns into weight gain. Fix it by recognizing your stress triggers. Replace food with a walk, deep breathing, or talking to a friend. Habit number 9, not drinking enough water. Feeling hungry? You might just be thirsty. Even mild dehydration can feel like hunger. Fix this by drinking 2 glasses of water when you wake up, and sip water throughout the day. Habit number 10, not tracking your food. Most people underestimate how much they eat, sometimes by 30 to 40%. Fix this by tracking your meals. Use apps or take photos of what you eat. Now let's quickly recap. Skipping breakfast, sugary drinks, mindless snacking, too much sitting, late night eating, poor sleep, fake healthy foods, stress eating, low water intake, and eating without awareness. Even one of these habits could be holding you back. But now you're ahead of 90% of people because you know what to fix. Start by changing just one habit today. Your transformation starts now.